What if I told you that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck regardless of their income? That includes people making six figures. Today, we're diving into the uncomfortable truth about why most people stay poor. And it's not what you think. Stick around because this might completely change how you think about money. Hey everyone! Money is one of those topics nobody really taught us in school, yet it controls so much of our lives. Today, we're breaking down the real reasons why building wealth feels impossible for most people, and more importantly, what you can do about it.
In America, 10% of Americans own everything. The reason there's such a gap is our schools teach us to work for this.
Yeah.
Go to school, get a job,
Right.
work hard, pay taxes,
Yeah.
save money, buy a house, and put your money in the stock market.
Right.
I don't touch any of that.
The instant gratification trap. First up, we live in a world designed to make us spend. Every app, every advertisement, every limited time offer is engineered to trigger immediate purchases. Think about it. Amazon's one-click buying, buy now, pay later options, even grocery stores putting candy at checkout. The average American spends $1,497 per year on coffee and snacks. That's nearly $1,500 that could be invested and grow to over $50,000 in 30 years. I'm not saying don't enjoy coffee. I'm saying be intentional about where your money goes. The income illusion. Here's the harsh truth. Making more money doesn't automatically make you wealthy. This is called lifestyle inflation. When people get raises, they upgrade their cars, move to bigger apartments, buy more expensive clothes. Their expenses grow with their income. I know someone who went from making $40,000 to $80,000 in 3 years. Instead of being twice as wealthy, they're actually more stressed about money because they've doubled their expenses too. The key isn't just earning more, it's keeping your expenses in check as your income grows.
Because most people are brainwashed when it comes to money. Go to school, get a job, work hard, pay your taxes, save money, get out of debt, buy a house, and invest in the stock market. Everybody who follows that program has been brainwashed.
The knowledge gap. Most people never learn basic financial concepts. They don't understand compound interest, the difference between assets and liabilities, or how taxes really work. Schools don't teach this stuff, and many parents never learned it either. If you invest $200 per month starting at age 25, you'll have over $1 million by retirement. But if you wait until 35 to start, you'd need to invest $400 per month to reach the same goal. Time is your biggest ally in building wealth, but most people don't realize this until it's too late. The comfort zone problem. Building wealth requires doing things that feel uncomfortable. It means saying no to expensive dinners when friends invite you. It means driving an older car while you invest the difference. It means learning new skills or starting side projects. Most people choose comfort over growth. They stick to jobs they hate because change feels risky. They avoid investing because it seems complicated. But staying comfortable is actually the riskiest choice of all. It guarantees you'll stay exactly where you are.
Where do you think I borrow my money from?
From the bank.
Japan.
Okay.
Japan are stupid people. They save money.
Right.
I'm an American. I use debt. I borrow their savings. Japanese believe in saving money. They're good people,
Yeah.
but not very smart financially. So Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. This became fake, but the economy boomed. Real estate boomed.
Yeah.
Because they were printing this as fast as they wanted to.
Right.
Every time America got into trouble, they printed this.
Look, I'm not here to shame anyone. We're all working with the hand we've been dealt. But understanding these patterns is the first step to breaking free from them. Start small. Track your spending for 1 week. Learn about one investment option or read one book about money. The system isn't designed to make you wealthy. It's designed to keep you spending. But once you understand the game, you can start playing by different rules. What's one money habit you're going to change this week? Drop it in the comments below. And if this opened your eyes to something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about building wealth. I'll see you in the next one.